Yoyo Superstar, and today we're gonna learn a new practice combo. Let's do it! Today I am using the Ouroboros by Rain City Skills. If you want to learn more about this yo-yo, just let me know in the comments. Let's get into the combo. So this combo does have a lot of different fundamental elements. We're talking front style, we're talking to the side, we're talking hops, chopsticks, slacks, all that good stuff. So if at any point I say something that you don't recognize in this combo, just look up that on YouTube. There are tutorials for each of these elements. They're all just fundamentals, which you know I love on this channel. So that is how you will get through this combo. First things first, you do want to make sure that your string tension is fairly neutral for this. There is a slack element, there is a regen element. Those things help when your string is a little looser, so just keep that in mind. We're gonna start off fairly basic. You're gonna throw a trapeze and then go into your chopsticks mount here. And then we're just going to make sure that it's not on this full string connected to your throw hand. And that's because of this next element here. You're just not going to want that string underneath. So however you land your chopsticks mount, make sure that you land it with this longer string off of the mount. Now, after you throw your chopsticks mount and dismount it however you do so, you are going to take this string here and you are going to pull it out and propel the yo-yo into the air and onto this back long string that I just had you dismount. Chopsticks, dismount if you need to, and then pull this back and hop it right back here so you're in this configuration. This next part I'm going to come in close. You're going to pinch with these two fingers here and then bring your throw hand over and grab this string and then do fists. So you're going to have all this slack and it's going to drop over the yo-yo and you're going to thread it in like that. Grab this, you're pinching here, you're going to make two fists, you got the slack, throw it over the front, and it will thread in right here. And you'll have a mount that looks like this. You're gonna toss it towards your throw hand, and then you're gonna cross arm it towards your non-throw hand in a green triangle. Hop that out towards your belly, and that is the first part of the combo. Another thing to keep in mind with the slack element is to grab it like towards the middle of the string segment so you have enough to toss over the yo-yo and get it through. Otherwise, if you grab it too high, you're not gonna have a lot to really go off of. And I'll show you what that looks like. So if I grab my string segment here and try to flip it over, it can't go around the body of the yo-yo like I need it to down here. And if I force it, then we're gonna start to get some more of a tangled mess. So just make sure that you are keeping that in mind when trying out the slack for the first time. Okay, full speed for that bit. Crossover, drop, okay, throw it here, throw it there. Dismount, and then I almost went to the next part, but that's part one. So part two of the combo, we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna assume your yo-yo is still spinning at the bottom here. You're gonna throw a Hidemasa hook, roll it off, pull it up, and regen. Land it on a string, and then hop. Okay? So that is all we are doing for part two. Hidemasa hook, regen, hop. Easy peasy. So part three, we're gonna go into front style, but we're gonna be facing the side because we're gonna be coming off of our regen. So let's just say hypothetically, I came off my hop. Now I'm gonna dismount and go into my split bottom mount. Then you're going to do a throw to the front like a barrel roll, but then you're gonna bring both your fingers together and roll it, okay? You're just gonna roll the yo-yo forward over those 2 fingers. So we go forward, roll over. Now we're going to bring the yo-yo back towards us on this back string here. Boom, you might guess where we're going next. And it's a pop and fresh. I'm gonna go to the other angle because I realize my arms go like this. So again, we're here, roll over, back, and pop and fresh. And then the last element of the front style portion. So you went here, pop and fresh. We're just gonna roll it back towards us, okay? And then pinch here, drop this, and do a bind, like that. Easy. Now I'm gonna show you how it works with the regen, hop, and all that good stuff. So, hook, roll off, bind and regen, make sure it lands nice and straight, hop, roll off, then we're gonna go 1, 2, pop and fresh, roll back, and bind. Chopsticks, dismount if you need to, pop it up, grab the string segment, throw over the slack, throw it to your throw hand, throw it to your non-throw hand and across, and drop towards your belly. That's the first part. Second part is Hidemasa hook, roll off, bind it, and then go into your regen, and hop. Make sure that part is in line, it can get tricky. Then after your hop, go into your split bottom mount. You're gonna go forward, flip it over, bring it back, pop and fresh once, roll it back towards you, pinch, and bind. And that is the full practice combo. All together looks like this. So, as you can see, the combo has 3 parts. You might be really good at some sections, really bad at others, or some sections you might be in the middle. My section continues to be the regen, tends to be an area I struggle with, so I'm gonna practice that more and more and more. And then the other sections I'm not too bad at, so I'm gonna practice those less. But then you can progress through this combo and then you're mastering all different types of elements. In the end, you should come out with a clean practice combo that you can do over and over again. Just think when you've worked through this entire practice combo, you'll have so many elements down, so when you're watching a YouTube tutorial and they're saying, do a chopsticks mount, do a slack element, do a hop, whatever it might be, front style, you'll already have that element down really strongly, and you can apply that to your tutorial so that you can pick it up quicker. So if you are one of the people who are like me and needs to practice some of these elements, then make sure you practice through this combo and you will get it down, I promise. If you like this video, give it a like or subscribe. Thank you for my subscribers for hanging out while I got a new video up. As you can see, we've got some changes going on. So thank you for your patience in between videos. I really do appreciate it. And remember, if you're going to leave a question, comment, or a suggestion, always be respectful. And my name's Ashley, aka Atyoyo Superstar. Thank you so much for watching today. And we'll see you next time.